To enroll in trade courses on the new Midas system, once you're logged in, you're going to select from the left-hand panel PD catalog. Once you select that, you have a variety of ways that you can choose how to search courses. You can click on tags to narrow the search. You can type in the name of a course you're interested in. You can look by calendar or simply put in a date. Another option, in case you have no idea what you would like to take, is to simply scroll through the 39 offerings or the multiple offerings there are. When you do that, you're going to see a truncated description as well as how many credits it's worth. To see more, you can press More Info right here. More info takes you to the place where you will actually enroll. If I press more in the description, it takes me to the full course here, full course description. And if I scroll down, this is an important part of Midas, you'll see all the different sections. So you can see right here, Eureka has 10 sections. That's mean there's 10 locations and 10 different times this is offered. So you're going to want to be sure you either use the search option or you scroll down to find the exact location that you want to attend at. Once you find it, perhaps I want to go here at Sandstone, I press Enroll. And there you have it. You are now enrolled in your summer courses. Or not all of them, just the Eureka section at Sandstone. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to the help desk.